Hello students, today we will discuss internet organizations. Children, first we will discuss who owns the internet, who has the control over the internet. So we will understand that internet has a no control of any government, any person, any entity. It is just free and open platform. It is a collection of autonomous interconnected networks. There are many local area networks, metropolitan area networks are connected and form a big network open for all. For the smooth functioning of internet, children, there are some organizations that works together, though they have no control of any government over them, but still they work together for internet, so that internet can be accessible to each and every person easily in the world. So first we will discuss about Internet Society, ISOC. Children, it is a non-governmental international organization, non-profitable organization, and anyone in the world can be member of this organization. Children, what is the role of this organization? This organization promotes global cooperation and coordination for the internet. It solves the political issues, financial issues related with the smooth working of internet. If some government are just giving objection on the working of internet, then this organization works together so that internet can be accessible for each and everyone. Its motto is to provide internet to each and every person in the world, and also the person just get benefited from the internet. Children, for that reason, as I told you, there are many organizations are working together. So the Internet Architecture Board is also an important organization. It is an advisory board that provides technical advice to the ISOC. Also children, it take care the working of Internet Engineering Task Force organization. It just appoint the head of IETF. Also it see that the protocols and standards that are required for the internet are properly developing or not. It see the evaluation of the protocols and standards. Children, internet protocols and standards are the way through that over the internet computers just communicate with each other, shares the information. The next organization is Internet Engineering Task Force. It is also an international organization and it is mainly work on the development of internet protocols, just like TCP IP and POP, HTTP, HTTPS, etc. And children, it works under the guidance of Internet Architecture Board. This organizations provide solutions for technical problems comes in the internet. Also, it continuously work on the development of new protocols. As you know children, nowadays use of internet is growing day by day. In our daily life activities, we are using the internet a lot. In every field of life, in every type of organization in the world, internet is using. That is the reason new technologies, new protocols are required, different types of technical problems arise, and Internet Engineering Task Force look after all these things. Also children, Internet Research Task Force gives various types of advices, and also it just provides us different types of technologies. So this is a work of Internet Engineering Task Force to implement that type of techniques, technologies, and that can be used by the internet community. The next organization is ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Children, this organizations manage internet domain system and it just provides unique address for the global internet experience. As we know children, to just reach to the correct house, every house has a address. Same way over the internet, every computer has its address in number, that is called the IP address, and IP address is difficult to remember. That is the reason every computer also assigned a name, that is called the domain name. So ICANN, just look after that, every domain name is connected with correct IP address. It is very important. That is the reason people can use the computers all over the world and share the information. Now understand with this example. Children, every organization that has a server computer has a one IP address, and that IP address is connected with the domain name. We also connect our computer children, then our computer has also IP address, but the server computers that are available for all over the world for the people, they saves different types of websites, they required a domain name also, and that domain name is assigned by the ICANN. And when we just try to connect to the particular organization's domain, we just connect with the domain name, not with the IP address. So there is a connection between the domain name and IP address. Internally, computers communicate with the help of IP address. Users use the internet with the domain name. Internet service provider. Children, internet service providers are the big organizations, companies that set up the internet backbone, that set up routers, gateways, cable system, and establish the physical network to carry the internet traffic. And also ISPs provide us internet connection. And children, whenever we just open our browser or just type any website address, internet service providers computer works. When we type a website address children, first of all ICANN computers just give us the correct IP address of that domain, and then ISP server connect our computer with that computer, that's IP address we have sent, and from that we access the websites. So this way these organizations works so that everyone in the world can use the internet effectively, efficiently. Thank you.